And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. First 5 on Bismin.
Rep, sige na, tayo na kayo. Dapat kayo mauna.
First 5 on Misamis. And we're live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Bismin versus Misamis.
Lavarius.
It's Eugenio versus Tanchoco. First position of Bismin. It's Otuanes. Yes, Otuanes now 2-0. Now Magi the Pogi, guarded by the Wonder Boy. Magi the Pogi straight, Magi the Pogi. Pull out jumper by Crooks. Busalba. Now the Torres. Open jump. Boarding guy Torres 4-0. It's all by Bismin. Now the mailman Eugenio. Guarded by the Wonder Boy. He's Tutanes. Tutanes. Nice defense to Busalpa. In and out top. It's Tutanes again. Tutanes. The Torres. Kick out pass to Choco. Is still on the mailman Eugenio. It's Eugenio to Yellman. Bang! You can come in. Now 3-4. It's 1-point lead on Bismin. Now the Torres. Looking for the Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy too strong top. Now the mailman Eugenio is coast to coast. Stop. And oh! Turnover. Again on Misamis. Now the Torres. Looking for Tutanes. Downside, Tanchoco. Still by Sergeant Primo. It's Mami the Pogi. Mami the Pogi goes to coast. Mami right rebound on the mailman. Again top. Mailman again short. Whoa! It's Eugenio. 5-4. It's 1-point lead now on Misamis. Now Tutanes looking for the Torres. Wonder Boy, second attempt, again too strong, rebound on the mailman. Baseball pass to Thunder Boy. 7-4. 3-point lead on Misamis. Now the Torres. Looking for the Choco. Bang! Nothing but Nelbedo Choco. It's 7-all. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Primo. Thunderboy. Back to Pogi Mabi. Nice steal again by Busalba. Into Tanes. 1-1 by Mailman. 2-2. Tanes. Drive to Tanes. In and out. Down the mailman. It's 1. Mailman 2. Crooks. Crooks. 3-on-2. 4-on-2. Crooks. Favorite shot. Bang! Time out! On Bismin, it's now 9 against 7. It's 2-point lead on Misamis. This timeout is brought to you by Basketballista. Tui, the Inkers, and Rock Bank Abu Dhabi. This is our inter-province category. Misamis versus Bismi. Di Torres. Busalpa. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Busalpa. His first basket, first attempt for 3-point shot by Busalpa. 10-9. Pogi de Pogi. Now Sergeant Primo. Thunderboy. It's same ball. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Now Crooks. Still again to Tanes. Busalpa. All around to Tanchongo. Back to Tanes. In and out to Tanes again. Top to Tanes. Now Crooks. Thunderboy. 1-1 with the Torres. Sergeant Primo. 11 to 10. It's 11-point lead on Misamis. Now the Torres. 1-1. Drive. Side step. Ow. Turnover on Bismi. It's 6 minutes. All by Misamis. It's 1-point lead on Misamis. Now the mailman, Eugenio. Guarded by Wonderboy. Mailman 1-1 with the Thunderboy. Mailman escape. Mailman drive. Mailman now. Mailman stop up. Rebound. No Sergeant Primo. Depends on Bismi. 5 minutes and 42 seconds. He's still again the Mailman. Mailman drive. Roll top. Nice defense with the Choco. Mami the Buggy. Crooks. In and out. Top. Mami the Buggy. Oh, nice defense on Tutanes. Into Tanes looking for the Choco. The Choco. Oh, turnover again on Bismi. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Now Thunderboy. It's guarded by the Wonderboy. Mailman. Guarded by the Wonderboy. 14 to shoot. 10. Thunderboy. Skip by the Thunderboy. 9 to Busalpa. Guarded by Crooks. Busalpa goes to Crooks. Busalpa. Yes, on Busalpa. 12-11. Back to 1-point lead on Bismi. Crooks. To Mami the Pogi. 1-1. Penutanes. Still again on Busalpa. Busalpa to the Wonderboy. 1-1. Wonderboy back to Busalpa. Drive. Yes, on Busalpa. It's 14-11. 3-point lead on Bismi. 4 minutes and 10. Mailman. Eugenio. To the Thunderboy. Nice pick. Thunderboy again. Still back to Tanes. Now to Tanes. 1-1. The 1-2. 2-3. To Tanes. Stop. By Crooks to Sergeant Primo. It's 2-1. Sergeant Primo. Sergeant Primo. In and out. 3 minutes and 50. The Torres. Foul. Foul on number 19 on the Thunderboy, Laparias. First on the Thunderboy, first team foul on Misamis. Three minutes and 48 seconds. Now 15 against 11. It's 4-point lead on Bismi. Now 16-11, it's 5-point lead on Bismi. Now the Mailman, Eugenio guarded by 2. Now he's still again on the Torres. It's the Torres time, the Torres. 18-11. Crooks. To Sergeant Primo. Back to Crooks. Back to back steal on Bismi. It's Busalpa. Busalpa drive. Busalpa. Time out. On Misamis is 20-11. It's 9-point lead on Bismi.
Focus bitaw ko. Bakit tadi may kasunod? Focus ka na. Oy, ditambakan naman mo.
Two minutes and 50 seconds. 14 to shoot. Oh, nice steal on Bismin. Baseball pass. Short. Rocks. Looking for Mabi na Pogi. Drive. Escape. And Tanchonko again. Now it's 4 on 3. 3 on 2. Tanchonko drive. Moves. Smooth move by Tanchonko. 22-11. It's 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Back-to-back steal. Na Busalpa. It's Busalpa dyan. 24-11. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Two minutes. Foul on the Wonder Boy. First on the Wonder Boy. First team foul on Bismin.
Hubog pala, hubog.
Sergeant Primo. Oh, too strong. Nice defense on Yueño. Now, Tanchonko is 26-11. It's 1 minute and 27 seconds. Sergeant Primo. Yes, on Sergeant Primo, it's 13 against 26. One minute. It's Misami's ball. 55 seconds. Foul on the Wonder Boy. Second on the Wonder Boy. Second team foul on Bismin.
Already.
40 seconds. Wonder Boy guarded by one. Now he's still set to number to Choco. 30 seconds. Torres, Busalpa. It's 3 on 1. Thunder Boy. Oh, it's Thunder Boy. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. The first quarter scored 26 against 13, all by Bismin. Second quarter ready, second quarter. Oh, takin tayo.
Ang gwapo talaga ni Rojas.
Yan yung takin sa Mabisaya. Ay, ayusin mong takin, no?
Takin mayaman.
Warning kita, sige.
Hospital! Rojas!
Misamis ball, Misamis.
Pili, 6 na nga lang. 6 na nga lang, boss. Ano ba?
Misamis ball, Misamis. Now the mailman, 1-1 by Ross. Pilarca. Sergeant Primo, too strong. Rebound on Sison. It's Kilichu Pikachu. Sison, the masingan. Now Captain Minel, first attempt. Too strong. Rebound on Pilarca. Thunder Boy, it's Thunder Boy. Thunderboy drive. Nice pass to Crooks. 15-26 now. It's 9-point lead on Bismin. Kinichu Pikachu. Too strong. Rebound on the mailman. Now mailman. Coast to coast. Mailman. Bang! Basket count and 1 on the mailman. Eugenio. It's 17 against 26. Foul on Rojas. First on Rojas. First team foul on Bismin. It's 8 minutes and 58 seconds.
Pang.
Now 18-26. 8-point lead on Bismin. Now Kinichu Pikachu. Sison. Steal by Pilarca. 14 to shoot. 14. Captain Minel. 10 to shoot. Sison. Again, too strong. Rebound on the mailman, Eugenio. Eugenio now, guard by Sison. Guard by 2. The mailman, looking for Crooks. Crooks. The Thunderboy. Now Thunderboy. Back to Sergeant Primo. Sergeant Primo now. Pop Sergeant Primo airball. It's 8 minutes and 26-18. Now Kinichu Pikachu. Guarded by the Thunderboy. Pikachu downside to Sison. Blocked by Sergeant Primo. Here's ball pass. Thunderboy. It's Thunderboy. Crooks. 1-1. Thunderboy again. Thunderboy looking for Sergeant Primo. Sergeant Primo in and out. Captain Medal is there. Pikachu, Kinichu. Kinichu top. Sison back. Baseball pass. Rojas. Guarded by 2. Still again by Primo. It's Crooks. It's 3-on-1. Crooks. Favorite shot. In and out. Pilarca. Crooks again. Wow! Pusong by Crooks. Now Pikachu, Kinichu, Pikachu, Kinichu. 28-18. Now Thunderboy. Thunderboy drive. Thunderboy. Bang! Basket count and 1 on the Thunderboy. Foul on Sison. Second team foul with Smith. First on Sison. Seven minutes. Only 8-point lead on Bismin. 28 against the 20. Now Pikachu. Rojas first shot. Air ball. Now the mailman. Still by Pikachu. Now Pikachu. Pikachu. Side coast to coast pass to Rojas. Blocked by Crooks. Now 6 minutes and 36 seconds. Now Ross again. Ross moves short. Rebound on Sergeant Primo. Now the Thunderboy. It's 3-on-2. Thunder is foul. Foul on number 95 on Captain Medel. It's first on Captain Medel. First, second, 13 foul on Bismin. Timeout trap. Timeout. On Bismin. It's 6 minutes and 19 seconds. Second quarter, second game. Only 8-point lead on Bismin. 28 against 20. Now Sergeant Primo. Thunderboy. Back to Sergeant Primo. 10 to shoot. Pilarca. Short. Rebound on Captain Medel. It's Captain Medel to Ross. Wow! Back-to-back turnover again on this bay. 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Only 8-point lead on Bismin. Now the mailman, guarded by Ross. Mailman now, Eugenio. 14 to shoot. The mailman skip, mailman run. Nice defense on Kinicho Pikachu. 8 to shoot, 8 seconds to shoot. Crooks. Too strong. Rebound. It's Bismin ball, Bismin. Now Kinicho Pikachu, drive, Kinicho Pikachu. Rebound on Tihada. 30 to 20. Back to 10-point lead on Bismin. Now 1-1. Eugenio is foul. Warning for penalty on Bismin.
Roas.
Nakasampung tira ka. 10 points
Yung laro.
Second personal foul against Roas. 10 to shoot. Five to shoot. Oh, it's Pilarca. 22 to 30. Now back to 8-point lead on Bisbee.
Oras, kuya. 4 minutes. Lumalagay din sila.
Now Thunderboy. Bang! 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 Oh, the Thunderboy. Yes, on Tihada. 32 to 25. It's 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Kinicho Pikachu. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on the mailman, Eugenio. First on the mailman. First team foul on Misamis. Three minutes and 30 seconds. Rebound on Sergeant Primo. Say it's Misamis ball, Misamis. Now the mailman. Drive, mailman, 1-1, mailman goes to coast, let me fly, the mailman block. Mailman again. To the foul. Foul on number 13 on Tihada. Now Bismin on penalty.
Alam mo, kaya Tihada. Tsaka na yan, kasi may laro tayo.
Isa Jen, isa pa.
Sino nito?
Tihada nga. Tsaka na yung text mo kasi naglaro tayo.
Now Kinicho Pikachu. Guarded by the Thunderbolt. Pikachu to the Captain Batman. No, to throw. Rebound on Captain Primo. Sergeant Primo. It's now Thunderboy. Looking for Pilarca. Now the mailman Eugenio. Turnover again on this Yamis. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Now Kinicho Pikachu. Baseball pass to Sison. Oh! Sison! 34 against the 25. Pilarca. Guarded by Tihada. It's Bismin ball. Bismin. 2 minutes and 24 seconds. The mailman. Pilarca all alone. Pilarca. 27-34. 7-point lead on Bismin. 2 minutes. Kinicho Pikachu. Drive. Easy basket by Kinicho Pikachu. Now Thunderboy. 3-1. Thunderboy. 29 to 36. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Roas. Now Pikachu, Kinicho. Looking for nice block by the mailman. Baseball pass. So now Tihada. It's 1 minute and 40 seconds. Now Sison. Back to Kinichu Pikachu. Sison, top, 14 to shoot. Now Pikachu, 10 to shoot. Pikachu drive, side step, Pikachu, top, rebound on, captain middle, short, top again, Sison. Sison pick, short. Now Pilarga, it's foul. Foul on captain middle, it's penalty.
Second on middle.
Second personal foul on captain middle, it's time out. On Miss Summers. It's only 7-point lead on Miss Smith. 36 against the 29. Okay, ball game rep. Penalty trap.
Balik na siya. Teka na lang, tapusin natin.
Basket count rep.
Ayan.
Bakit ba?
Focus mo tayo sa laro. Kasi hindi ka naman
Dili pa lang ako. Importante din to.
May importante dito.
Now 31 to 36. Now Pikachu, Kinichu. 1 minute. Now the mailman guarded by 2. Mailman looking towards Sergeant Primo. Sergeant Primo. 1-on-1 by Pikachu. Sergeant looking for Crocs. Nice defense on Tiara. It's 14 to shoot. 44 seconds. 44 seconds. Ah, now Sison and Sison. 38 to 31. 30 seconds. Captain Middle. Pop up. Nice pass to Captain Middle. To Ross. 20 seconds.
Finally.
Crocs. Sergeant Primo. Too strong. Rebound by Crocs. Now Crocs. Too deep. Pikachu. 3-on-2. Wow. 3 seconds. 3 seconds.
Sige na, may oras pa. Seconds na lang, receive.
And now for second quarter score 40 against to 31. All by Dismay. Third quarter ready, third quarter.
Paano na bola? Magtutulas.
Sir, last sila, kulang kayo 10.
Last fight kayo. Kulang sila 10.
Wala nang pili, Mike, di ba? Wala. Kayo pilihan. Kayo daw yung pilihan.
45 now score, 45 to 31.
Laro. Hindi na kalaro. Pasok. Walang palitan.
Hindi na nakalaro.
Pasok, sir. Sige. Yung dalawa kanina, walang palitan, ha? Straight yan na, 5. Walang palitan, sir. Walang palitan, 5.
Bossing! Hanggang fourth quarter na, wala palitan.
Third lang, yan.
Ito may palitan na dyan.
Wala. Kasi di pa nakalaro lahat. Palaruin natin lahat.
16.
Fourth na tayo.
Ball game! Now, Palnyosa. CJ, bang! Oh, CJ! 47-31. Now, Pipino. Pipito again. It's Pipito. Nice move, Pipito time! 33 to 47. It's 14-point lead on Bisbee. Now, Mariguran. Looking for Escalante. Escalante na 40 to shoot. Laureto. Still again by Laureto. Panyosa. In and out. The Thunderbird to Pipito. Pipito time. Pipito. Too strong. Rebound. Mabinapagi. Block. It's foul. Who's foul left? Ulit 34 niya.
Laurito.
Foul on Laureto. First on Laureto, first team foul on Bisbee.
Wala. Yun wala. Tanong natin mamaya. Bakit nalipat sila?
It's Mabi the Bogey, 47-34. It's 13-point lead now on Bisbee. CJ. Mariguran. Looking for Panyosa. Escalante. Nice defense. Time to shoot. CJ. 3-second by Horizon on Laureto. It's 8 minutes and 15. Only 13-point lead on Bisbee. Mabi the Pogi. Now, Pipito. Still on Laureto. It's Panyosa time. Panyosa, nice defense on Pipito. Mabi the Pogi. The mailman. No! Still. It's Mariguran. Looking for Escalante. 49 against 34. It's 15-point lead on Bisbee. Now, Pipito. One naman de CJ. Still agad na Mariguran. Panyosa. Stop up. Panyosa, favorite shot. Too strong. Rebound on Mabi the Pogi. Now, Thunderboy. Again, the Thunderboy. Foul on number 19 on Thunderboy. First on Misalis.
Various second.
Second personal foul on Labarias. 6 minutes and 48 seconds, 49 to 36. Short. Now Pipito. Pipito time, looking for Cabrera. Cabrera hang time, black short. Rebound on Mabi the Pogi. Mabi the Pogi looking for Pipito. Bang! Pipito, 38 to 49. Now, 11-point lead of Bisbee. Mariguran. Laureto. Laureto. 51-38. Back to 11-point lead on Bisbee. Foul. Foul on number 5 on Laureto. Second team foul on Bisbee.
Laureto second.
Second on Laureto. Now 39-51. 12-point lead on Bisbee. 6 minutes. Now 40 against 41, 51. Mariguran, 5 minutes and 50 seconds. CJ, short, block. It's 8 to shoot, 8 seconds to shoot. Mariguran, for 3. Bang, 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 bang. 54 to 40, now 14 points in the Bisbee. Pipito. Drive. Pass to Cabrera. Mabi the Pogi. Short! Panyosa! Oh, tap! Now the mailman, it's all alone. Mailman goes to go, drive, mailman, nice passes, Cabrera again. Cabrera is foul. Foul again on Loreto.
Loreto third.
Third on Loreto, 13 foul on Bisming. Now 41-54, back to 13-point lead on Bisming. Now 42-54. 1-point lead Bisming.
Mike, ano yan? Sab-sab lang walang paalam. Tingnan pa.
Wala ang paalam sir, wala. Table, wala. Technical time, technical foul on bench on Misamis. Technical free throw for Bisming.
Sinong pinalitan niya? Dito?
Technical free throw for CJ.
Ano ba yung number ni CJ?
May pa-egg, may apo technical leg, atay.
4 minutes and 38 seconds.
Wala.
CJ. Air ball. It's Misamis ball. Misamis. Now Pipino. Guarded by CJ. Pipito time. Nice defense on CJ. It's 14 to shoot. 4 minutes and 12 seconds. Cabrera. Short. Cabrera again. Fake. Short again by Cabrera. Now Escalante to Panyosa. Panyosa, let me try. Fake. Lagi pa Escalante 1-1. Back to CJ. Fake. CJ drive. Looking for Pipito. It's 14 to shoot. Marigaran. Panyosa, short top. Now the mailman. 1-1, mailman to Mabi the Pogi, mailman again. Mabi the Pogi, mailman. In and out, mailman again. Bang! On the mailman. 54-44. It's 10-point lead on Bisming. Now Panyosa. Still again on the mailman. It's Pipito time. Guarded by CJ. Pipito, pow!
Nice one.
Foul on CJ. First on CJ, warning for penalty on Bisming. 3 minutes and 24 seconds. (45 to 54). 9-point lead now on Bisming. In and out by Pipito. CJ. Guarded by Pipito. Looking for Marigaran. Now Escalante. Open jump. Great shot by Escalante. 56 to 45 is 3 minutes. Back to 11-point lead on Bisming. Pipito, drive, foul. Sapito Sedep. Foul on number 17. Sapito Sedep on Marigaran. Now Bisming on penalty. (46 to 56). 10-point lead On Bismi. Now 47-56, 9 points in on Bismi. It's 2 minutes and 38 seconds. CJ. Mariguran. Panyosa. Again to Somay. Rebound ng Panyosa. Same spot. Bang! Let me do it again by Panyosa. 2 minutes and 15. Now Pipino. Sergeant Primo. Bang, bang, bang! On Sergeant Primo. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 58 to 50. 14 to shoot. Panyosa. Bang! Nothing but net by Panyosa. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Pipito. Drive. Oh! Pipito time. 52-60. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. CJ. Too strong. Rebound on Pilarga. Crooks. Favorite shot by Crooks. Bang! 1 minute. 6-point lead now on Bismin. 55 seconds. 14 to shoot. Panyosa. Bang! Let me try again my Panyosa. 62 to 54. Back to 8-point lead on Bismin. 40 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. 22 seconds, 22.
Ubus Crocs, kagabi. Dulas bolang, dulas. Ayaw mo ikaw.
15. 10. 6 seconds, 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Warning for penalty on Mariguran for continuous complaining. Warning for technical. 6 seconds. And now for third quarter score 62-54. It's 8-point lead on Bismin. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter.
Oh, sino yung jersey din ang pasok? Layan. Layan. Layan.
Magreklamo sila sa shake. Ang gusto nila.
Last quarter, last quarter. Bismin.
Bigyan mo yan. Hindi ka nakasyat dyan ha. Baka.
Last quarter, last quarter. Only 8-point lead on Bismin, 62 against the 54. Tanchongo for 3. Short. Rebound on Cabrera. Now the mailman guarded by De Torres. Looking for Pipito. Pipito. It's Pipito time. Short. Rebound on Sergeant Primo. Sergeant Primo. In and out by Sergeant Primo. Still on Pipito time. Now Pipito. 1-1 by Kinichu Pikachu. Pipito. Sidestep. Back to shore. Rebound on Sison. Now Busaw! What a block coming from Pipito. 9 minutes. Busalba. Kinichu Pikachu. 14 to shoot. Tanchoco. Nice defense on Cabrera. It's Pipito time. Pipito time. Pipito time. What a robot, Pipito. 66 to 62. Pipito now 6-point lead. On the spin. Pikachu. Foul. On number 12. On Misamis.
Number 12.
First team foul on Misamis.
Wala akong 12.
Sison.
Tadchangka.
Black by Sergeant Primo. It's Mabe. Mabe the Poge. Mabe the Poge. Tuntong top. It's Sison. Top. Intercepted in Mabe the Poge. Now the mailman. Bang! Mailman Eugenio. 58-62. Pikachu, Kinicho looking for the Choco. Now the Torres looking for the Spa.
Primo.
Foul on Sergeant Primo. Second team foul on Misamis. First on second personal foul on Sergeant Primo.
Primo.
Now 63. 58.
Isa.
Dalawa basket. 60-40-58. Back to 6-point lead on Bisbee. Now Pipito time. 1-1. Guarded by Kinichu Pikachu. Pipito escape. Pipito left it right. Bang! You can't guard it. Pipito. 64-60. 4-point lead Bisbee. Pikachu. Tanchoco. Bow. On Pipito. Third on Misamis. 2-point shot coming from Tanchoco.
Ay, wow.
0-2 coming from Tanchoco. Mailman to Pipito. It's Pipito time. 1-1 by Kinichu. Pipito time. Now set in the play. Pipito time. Pipito is still by Busalpa. It's Busalpa. 3-2. Busalpa stop up. Busalpa. De Torres. In and out. Rebound on the Mailman. Foul. On Busalpa. First team foul on the spin.
Sa job. Busalpa.
First personal foul on Busalpa. 6 minutes and 40. 4-point lead on this team. Now Pipito time.
Reserve sa
40 to shoot.
Primo.
Short. Busalpa. Now Kinichu Pikachu. 3-2. Kinichu still. Busalpa. It's 66-60. Now Pipito. Mabeda Poge. 62 against the 60. Only 4-point lead on Bisbee. Now the machine gun season. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, the machine gun season. 68-62. Back to 6-point lead on Bisbee. Now Pipito. 1-1 by Kinichu Pikachu. Mailman now. No, Eugenio. Guarded by the Choco. The mailman. Too strong. Rebound on this Torres. It's the Torres to the machine gun. Nice pass. Foul. Out on number 12 for Sergeant Primo. Sabi to sa left. Warning for penalty on Misamis.
Primo, sir.
Third on Sergeant Primo. 2 free throw shot by the Choco. Only 6-point lead on this mean. 68 to 62. Basket sa dito sa left. Basket sa dito shoot. 69 against the 62.
11. Kachonko.
Rebound on the mailman. Guarded by the Masing Gun Sison. 1-on-1. Now, Pipito, the player. 5 minutes. Now, 14 to shoot. Sergeant Primo, bang! Sergeant Primo, bang! That's Sergeant Primo! Now, 3-point lead up is being 67-64. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Tontones. Now, Malasingan, the Masingan foul. Sabi ito sa left. Foul on the mailman, Eugenio. Penalty.
Eugenio. Eugenio 2.
Pupwes lang yun.
Tama. Sure mo.
64.
64 ba?
Chat isa sa export. Isa lang siya free throw niya.
Pupwes lang yun. Pupwes lang yun eh. Pupwes naman.
2 points nga, 2 points. Isa lang free throw, kanina naka-free throw ka isa lang. Kaya may waki tayo. Isa lang free throw ngayon kay Juan, Tagchongko.
Hindi dalawa. Now 68-64. 4-point lead on Bisping. Now Pipino. 10 to shoot. 1-on-1 now. It's game time. Mayman drive. Mayman left it fly short. Rebound on Cabrera. Cabrera now top. Sergeant Primo. Bang! Sergeant Primo. 68 to 66. Now 2-point lead of the spin. Tanchonko. Foul. Respond up.
Hello, boss. Si ate.
Alan Pipino. It's penalty. Penalty.
Nakita kita dito kanina, bakit?
2 free throw shot.
Sino?
By Tanchonko.
Alam ko si Makalalad.
4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Oh. Hindi ko nakita. Apo.
It's foul.
Oo.
Klaro na kayo, klaro.
It's double foul on Eugenio against Tiara. Foul on Tiara.
Komentada.
Si Hada. Sige.
Misamis ball. Our position, Misamis ball.
Sige. Inform kita. Second.
Sige, depensa lang.
Second.
Second personal foul on the mailman, Eugenio. Nice game time again. Game time 1-on-1. Sison. Whoa! Now the mailman. Mailman 1-on-1 from the Masingan. Mailman drive. Mailman looking for Sergeant Primo. Play. Sergeant Primo blocked by Roadrunner. It's a ball. 14 to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Substitution up. Sub. Only 2-point lead on this thing. Now Pipito. 1-on-1 by Tutanes. Start to shoot. Pipito time. Pipito is foul. Foul on Escalante. Third team foul on Bisming. Substitution up. Sub. Roas in the ball game. R-O-J-H Roas. Still on the Roadrunner. Top. Yes, nice defense. Communication again on Bisming. It's 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Only 2-point lead on Bisming. Now game time. Pipito against Ross. Now 3 minutes is 14 to set to 14. Pipito try. Pipito too strong. Rebound on Ross. To the Torres. Guarded by the Torres. The Torres try. The Torres turn. Nice pass outside. Nice the passing gun. Escalante! Bang! Escalante! 2 minutes and 30. Still again. Black! It's foul. Foul on Lamarias. Time out. On Minsames. Third personal foul on Lamarias. It's 71-66. 5-point lead on Biscayne. Active ballgame. Free throw shot. Penalty there.
Pero hindi na masyado mainit, no?
Pera. Pera.
Andiyan. Ano ka? Walang dyan, ah?
Tira.
Rival, it's all.
Sorry.
It's early violation. Early violation. It's early violation. 2 minutes and 27 violation.
Sorry.
2 minutes and 27 seconds. 71-66. Now Pipino. It's foul. Foul on number 29 on Ross. Warning for penalty on Biscayne. Third personal foul on Ross. Warning for penalty on Biscayne. Now Pipito, 1-1 by Ross. Pipito, 10 to shoot. It's nice defense on Biscayne. Last 2 minutes. These last 2 minutes is brought to you by Adalpos. Basketballista. Tui. Now the road runner bomb. Nice defense on Masingan. In and out. Rebound on the mainland. Now Pipito, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pipito time, 1-1. Pipito drive, Pipito side step, Pipito block by Ross. Pipito now. It's foul. Foul on number 8, Torres. Penalty not penalty. 2 free throw shot for Pipito time.
Kuning tulad ito pilar ka.
Gano'n?
Oras ko.
1 minute and 29 seconds. 71-66, only 5-point lead on Biscayne. Now 67-21. 4-point lead on Biscayne, 1 minute and 26 seconds.
Dalawa na lang kanina, eh.
1 minute and 20. Ross. Bang! Ross.
Ayun, second time around.
Pipito. Hang time. Rebound. Ang gano'n Pipito. Fake. Pipito. Looking for Mavi Napagi. Short. Top. Mavi Napagi again. Mavi Napagi. Pipito. Pipito to Cabrera. Cabrera is still on. Escalante. It's on 50 seconds. It's on time. It's on black by Mainman. It's foul. Foul on the road runner, the Jungle. Penalty. First personal foul on the road runner, the Jungle. 45 seconds. 45 seconds.
Kuning ito dito ka.
Nice shot by the main man. 68-73. 5-point lead on Biscayne.
Oh, dalawa.
Boss
Dalawa.
team. both team.
Oh, yun out! Oh, early entry. It's 44 seconds.
Marami siya.
Mailman again. Pipino out Cabrera. Mailman, side step, Euro step, corner step. Mailman! It's 70 to 73. 35 seconds.
Isar pa season.
30 seconds. 14 to shoot. Too strong. 21 seconds, 21. Time out. All Miss Me. It's 21 seconds, 70 to 70. 3-point lead of Miss Me.
Dalawa na lang, tatlo.
After the ball game, back to the ball game. 21 seconds. 14 the shot clock, 14.
Rohan.
All teams now penalty. "21 seconds, 21. 18 seconds, 16. Wala. Walang tapek, walang tapek.
Marigoran, okay.
16 seconds, 16. Balik tayo. 16 seconds, 16.
Ayusin natin. 16.
Oh, shit. Ikaw matitiknikan, Rojas.
"16 seconds, 16. Time out left. Oh, Misamis. Last time out of Misamis.
Wala na, hindi na mabawi yun.
Rep, sin rep. Matay? Traffic. Huwag mo kan wire.
Para walang press.
Yung wire. Pera? Ha?
16 seconds, 16. Done!
Break it down! Break your leg! Primo! Break your leg! Oh, no!
It's 4 seconds, 4 seconds. Penalty rep. 4 seconds. Wala rep.
Who got foul, ref?
26.
Oh, yan, okay, tukol.
Wala na.
73. 4 seconds, 4.
Dong.
And over game. Where is Miss Me? It's 73.